In the silence of space, dust gathers. Gravity pulls, heat rises, and Earth is born. Molten, violent, chaotic. Clouds of gas swirl. Lightning flashes. Rain begins to fall for the first time. Rivers carve into rock. Lakes settle in lowlands. Oceans stretch into vast blue. In shallow pools and deep-sea vents, molecules dance. Simple compounds combine. From chemical chaos, microorganisms emerge. Tiny, unseen life begins to shape the world. They breathe without oxygen. They multiply, adapt, survive. Cyanobacteria fill shallow seas. They release a new gas, oxygen. It changes everything. Iron turns to rust. The skies begin to shift. Oxygen kills many life forms, but opens doors for others. Cells grow complex. They learn to work together. Multicellular organisms rise. They move, they sense, they evolve. Soft-bodied creatures roam ocean floors. Strange symmetrical forms pulse with early motion. Suddenly, life explodes. Worms, sponges, trilobites, and armored swimmers dominate oceans. Eyes evolve. Jaws snap. Predators chase prey. A new energy spreads across ecosystems. Green begins to reach toward the sky. Algae clings to wet rock. Fungi builds networks underground. Over time, moss, ferns, and early trees emerge. Roots crack stone. Soil is born. Life expands beyond water. Tectonic forces lift mountains from deep within Earth. Wind and water carve their slopes. Rivers wind through valleys. They feed new ecosystems, carry minerals, and reflect the skies above. Towering forests spread across continents. Giant insects buzz through humid air. Carbon-rich plants fall and pile, creating the deep layers that will become coal. Nature builds its own memory. Amphibians crawl onto muddy banks. Reptiles bask on rocks warmed by the sun. They lay eggs free from water's grasp. Swamps teem with croaking calls and rustling ferns. Life thickens. Ash falls. Oceans turn acidic. Volcanoes roar. 5 times Earth resets. But always, life returns. Smaller, stranger, stronger. The land shakes with the footsteps of sauropods. The air cuts with the cries of flying reptiles. Forests grow lush, hosting herds and hunters. Flowering plants appear, drawing pollinators into their evolutionary web. In deep oceans, marine reptiles glide. Ammonites spin. Coral reefs build kingdoms beneath the waves. Everywhere, nature thrives in forms once unimaginable. A flash in the sky. A crater 1,000 miles wide. Ash darkens the sun. Fires rage. The world cools. Dinosaurs fall silent. Yet life again endures. Mammals scurry in forests. Birds, the surviving dinosaurs, take to the skies. Grasses spread across plains. Rivers shift. Mountains rise anew. Life flows through every leaf, stone, and drop of water. It speaks in the quiet rustle of trees, the patterns of a snowflake, the erosion of rock. The Earth remains alive, without a single human. This is the story of Earth, told only by nature, watched by no one until now. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let nature's story be heard.